how I color all of my curly hair, wigs, extensions. This is the exact same technique. Even though this is a headband wig, it doesn't defeat the purpose of how I do it, you know. This is exactly how I color my better length clip-ins and any curly hair that I may have that I want to add color. I love it. That's these clip-ins from better length. How they were like have the ends colored. This is the same technique that I used for that. Yeah, so in my better length clip-ins, I did take the color higher up, but for these I just kept it right at the ends, and it works all the same. The only reason why I didn't show you guys a clip-in way to do it is because my clip-ins are already colored. This wig was not colored yet, so I thought this would be a great opportunity to try to show how I did color my clip-ins, because this is the same method that I did for that. Okay. Time to get that color popping, honey. All right, so here is a look at the wig before I added the color and did some bleaching to it. So that's how it looks. This hair is pretty old, and I just felt this would be a great time to go in and spruce it up with some spring highlights. So grab your BW2 powder and your 30 volume developer. You can also use 40, and a honey blonde box dye. That's what I'm using for this tutorial. So I am about to go in and shape up the hair. I kind of want a more natural type of look, so I'm just cutting off the ends. And I will be going in and re-dyeing those ends. The ends do look a little dusty. That's because when I first got this wig, I think I used a volume developer to lift the ends a little bit, but I'm actually going to end up cutting those off. So I'm pretty much starting with fresh hair. So I don't know what I was singing, but sometimes when you're doing these hair videos, you got to listen to some music, all right? But I'm going to go in and pre-section off my hair just to help with the application process. I'm just going to be using some clips, and then later on I'm going to be rubber banding my hair down so I know where I want the color to stop and start. All right, so that's all I'm doing right here. So this is that rubber banding I was talking about. You do not have to use this many. I actually don't know why I did that, but the most important part is rubber banding the ends of where you want the color to go, or in this case the bleach, because I'm bleaching first. So I'm going in and adding the bleach to the very end sections of each of my sections, and I'm going to let that sit on my hair. I think it sat there for about 20 minutes. You do it to your desired color lift. Baby. And once that is good, I rinse my hair out with Shimmer Lights shampoo and conditioner, and this is what it's looking like. I could have left that bleach on for a little longer, but it's okay. I'm about to go in with my honey blonde box dye on top of that. Shake it well, shake it well. And you're literally just going to apply that exactly where you just applied your bleach, okay? So that's what I'm going to be doing in this next session. I did use my foil wraps to help with the application process. And with that, I just let it sit on the hair for about 30 minutes. And after that, I just rinsed it out. I have colored the ends. This is what I normally do when I'm coloring my curly hair. So now I'm about to show you guys the results from it. So I hope it was helpful. I'm just gonna pop on a headband wig. I did my baby hairs and slicked my hair back in a bun, and I'm about to toss it on. If you hear a car revving up, that's my dad while I'm recording the video. So here's the wig. So I did go in and I made my what's this, strap shorter because I have a small head and I wanted to fit snug. So you can literally go in with a needle and thread and like overlap it and then just sew it. All right, And this is my wig from LuvMeHair. This is not a sponsored video. I'm just trying to show you guys how I color my curly extensions. And this is the same way that I colored my better length clip-ins. So any type of curly hair that you see that I have colored, this is the technique that I've done, okay? So I'm just gonna put it on. And I love big hair, so I'm just gonna tease it from the roots and just play around with it a little bit. I love big hair. And this is, so this is how it looks. I am about to put on another headband. The black is totally fine, but I have this one that I really want to put on. It's really cute. I got it from an Earthbound store. So I'm just gonna slip it on. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Coloring your hair yourself can be very easy. And if you have any questions that I may not have answered, just drop them in the comment section and I will try my best to answer them, because I'm not a professional. I do what works for me, and thankfully it works. So again, this is how I color all of my curly hair, wigs, extensions. This is the exact same technique. Even though this is a headband wig, it doesn't defeat the purpose of how I do it, you know. This is exactly how I color my better length clip-ins and any curly hair that I may have that I want to add color. I love it. That's it. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you decide to try this method, tag me and put me in your comments so I can check you guys out. Let's fall into these spring highlights. It's the spring. Come on and get highlighted with me. But don't forget to give me a like if you found this video helpful, and please subscribe to my channel. Come on and take off with me and we're gonna be popping. All right, let's do this. If you don't have one by now, what are you doing? Because look, it's so convenient. It's so convenient.
Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye guys.